Hey everyone, Doug Emhoff here. As I'm sure you've heard, my wife, Vice President Kamala Harris, is running for president. She's going to earn the nomination, unite the party, unite the country, and she's going to win the election.
In the wake of rumors from conservative media, Doug Emhoff, husband of Vice President Kamala Harris, has seemingly confirmed allegations of infidelity during his first marriage. Emhoff released a statement that, while not an outright denial, adds to the ongoing speculation. For some time, conservative outlets have alleged that Emhoff cheated on his first wife, Kirsten Emhoff, with their children's nanny, reportedly resulting in a pregnancy. The Daily Mail recently published an expose citing a close friend of the nanny who reportedly confirmed the affair. In response to these persistent rumors, Emhoff issued an exclusive statement to CNN. During my first marriage, Kirsten and I went through some tough times on account of my actions. I took responsibility, and in the years since, we worked through things as a family and have come out stronger on the other side, Emhoff said. While this statement does not directly acknowledge the affair, it does not deny the allegations either, suggesting there may be some truth to them. Additionally, CNN reported that when they asked a spokesperson for the Harris campaign to outright deny the basic facts of the Daily Mail's story, the spokesperson declined to comment. Kamala Harris and Doug Emhoff met in 2013, 5 years after his divorce from Kirsten, and married the following year. Harris is stepmother to Emhoff's 2 children, a detail that has been highlighted in political discussions, particularly following J.D. Vance's controversial comments about childless women in leadership positions. As the story unfolds, it remains to be seen how this development will impact public perception and the political landscape.